So, how was the experience at Galveston Port? Okay, you guys. So, the overall experience getting to Galveston was pretty smooth. So, we got there, was able to find parking really easily. The people there are available for your assistance to ask questions as to where you should go and where you can park. We ended up parking in lot B and we ended up getting our shuttle. The shuttle was there right away for us to hop right on and go straight to our cruise. Now, let's talk about the embarkation process. Concierge will ask you if you would like them to take your bags for you to your room prior to checking in. Please make sure that you have all of your documentation necessary for check-in taken out of your bags. Now let's check in. Checking in was a breeze. As you can see, there was literally no line. We were able to go up to the front, get our documents viewed and verified, and we were on our way. We arrived at 12:30. I recommend getting there early so you are able to get on before many others and enjoy the ship. So we're getting on to the ship to the Jubilee. I'm so excited. This is my first inaugural cruise, and I'm just excited to see what is about to happen. We have arrived. First impressions of this cruise was giving all of the feels and all of the fun. I literally just had to take out my camera and just absorb all of the beauty, the furniture, the decor, everything was beautiful. And the fact that they had a DJ as soon as you came through the doors, I knew I was about to have a good time. Let me show you our room. Okay, you guys, so we are on our way to our room. Our room is on the fourth deck. And as you can see, many people are traveling even in their wheelchairs. So don't be afraid to bring your family, your friends on these cruise vacations who may need to be in a wheelchair. So instead of getting your keys as soon as you get on board, your room will already have them. So just go to your room to get your room key. Now that that's done, let's party. After all of that partying, I'm ready to eat. Okay, you guys, so very first night here on the Carnival Jubilee, I ended up eating this Indian dish, salad, and cheesecake, and it left me sick. I had Indian food before and never gotten sick, but luckily the next day I was feeling fine. Whatever you do, don't eat this combination. Second dining night, you would think by this time I just given up on food, but your girl gotta eat. So we tried out this Mexican slash Asian food restaurant. I was a little skeptical, but I said, what the heck? I lived the first night. Honestly, y'all, I do not understand these combinations they have here on the Carnival Jubilee, but this is what I ate, or at least attempted to eat. To the left is some kind of egg yolk soup that I looked at once and I said I did not want. In the middle, the dessert was really good. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie. And then to the right, there was some orange chicken with onions and peppers. So you can say that I ate pretty light. So where's the good food, Chantilly? When all else fails, go to Lido.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting caught.
Hey, you guys, thanks so much for sticking to the end. So, do you want to know my final verdict of what I thought about the inaugural cruise? So, the inaugural cruise was a typical experience, in my opinion, other than the book and the hats. I honestly did not see anything different than the fact that we were the first. Hey, you guys, with all of that being said, my overall rating for the inaugural Jubilee cruise on Carnival is an 8 out of 10. If you need travel insurance and do not want to book directly through the cruise line or whatever mode of transportation and travel that you desire for your vacation, click the travel link in my bio so that you are able to compare your travel insurance options through travelinsurance.com. I am a partner with travelinsurance.com, providing you with the best comparison tool to compare your insurance to get the best rates with the best companies. If you like this travel content, click the like button, comment, and subscribe so you know when I upload my next video. If you need a go-to resource for your travel needs, go to www.madebychantilly.com/travel. See you next time.